What are you looking for? Huh? What you looking for? What are you digging a hole for? What's in there? What's in there? Ooh, there you are. There you are. What are you looking for? Here comes Corky. She's trying to figure out what you're looking for too. Did you find it? Did you find it? Find what you're looking for? Huh? What's under there? Hey, Cock. What's Maggie digging a hole for? What's under there, Mag? What's under the hole? It's under the snow. Duke, what's she doing? She digging a hole. I think she thinks there's something in there. What are you doing? Did you find it? Dookie wants to know what you're looking for too. Oh, a stick. You found a stick. Is that what you're looking for? You looking for a stick? Yeah? You got it. Get it out. It's a stick. Did you get it? You want some help? You want some help? There you go. Now what you want? Now what you looking for? All right, you're happy now.